Hello and welcome, folks. This is a drink called how make iced Pepsi Zero Sugar coffee. First thing you gotta do is put the ice cubes into this glass, and then you pour in the Pepsi Zero Sugar and do that. And then, last but not least, you pour in the coffee. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced Pepsi Zero Sugar coffee. And let's put it to the taste test, shall we? I give this one a thumbs up, folks. Well, thank you for watching. Have the rest of a great weekend and have a good summer. Thank you for watching.